Hi everyone, and welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. If you're new here, I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So if you like what you see, I hope you consider subscribing. Today's video is just going to be some fun and unique ways to personalize gift wrapping and spend almost no money doing it. So for this one, I'm just going to use a paper bag from the store, some twine, and also some clippings from some trees and bushes in my yard. And this is kind of special to me because my parents have always done stuff like this for gift wrapping, and I don't know, I just think it's a great way to spend a little bit more on the gift maybe and less on the wrapping, but still make it very personal. For this one, I thought I would use the chalkboard sticker that I had, and this way you don't have to use any tape because the whole thing is sticky and it's so easy to work out the bubbles. I'll leave a link to this stuff in the description box. You could also use chalkboard paint. And this way you can personalize the gift wrapping itself by doing little, drawings or pictures or any words. You don't even need a tag, you could write right on there. And I like using the clippings from trees and bushes because, like the paper bags, you don't have to spend any money, but it looks super cute and festive. And then for this one, all I used was a couple pages from a book. You could use a magazine, you could use a newspaper, anything you wanted. You could use a plain piece of paper and write a poem on there if you wanted. I'm also using some rope from the Dollar Tree, which is fairly inexpensive, especially because you wouldn't be using the whole roll that you get. And a little bit of twine and another clipping from one of our trees. This one is also fairly inexpensive because I'm just using a scarf from the Dollar Tree, and that way the gift itself is obviously a gift to the person, but they could also use the wrapping afterwards. I really like this one because this is something that my kids and husband started doing for me years ago, but they use blankets because they know how I love Snuggie blankets in the winter. So each year, you know, they wrap whatever they got me in a new Snuggie blanket. And that way there isn't any waste afterwards. You're not throwing away a ton of wrapping paper. And that's why I really like doing things this way, because like I said, there's pretty much zero waste. It's not like you're buying extra wrapping and stuff and throwing it away. It's stuff you already have or stuff that they can use. And I thought this was cute to add a little wood round. I will link everything in the description box that I use that you could possibly buy if you're interested. And then with these wood rounds, you can also personalize them as well. So coming up this week, I will have a couple other videos on different styles and ways of wrapping. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing your guys' ideas. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!